Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix Bluetooth on your Ford Fiesta. First, let's cover some basic troubleshooting steps. Always start by confirming that Bluetooth is active and discoverable on your mobile device. A simple restart of both your phone and the car's sync system can often resolve minor glitches. Also, verify that your phone isn't currently connected to another Bluetooth accessory, which could prevent it from pairing with your Fiesta. These initial checks are quick and can save you time. If the basics don't work, a clean repairing is often the next best step. Start by deleting your phone's profile from your Ford Fiesta's sync system. Then, on your phone, remove the Fiesta from its list of paired Bluetooth devices. Once both are cleared, try pairing your phone with the car again as if it were a new connection. This process helps clear any corrupted data that might be preventing a successful link. For more persistent issues, consider advanced solutions. Performing a master reset of your Ford Fiesta's sync system can often resolve deeper software conflicts. This will erase all personal data, so be prepared to re-enter settings. Additionally, check Ford's official support site for any available sync software updates, as these can fix known bugs and improve connectivity. Always refer to your owner's manual for detailed, model-specific instructions on these procedures. If you're still facing Bluetooth problems, try testing with a different phone to determine if the issue lies with your device or the car's system. If the problem persists, it might be time to visit a Ford dealership. They have specialized diagnostic tools and can check for hardware faults or specific service programs. Also, for those moments when you're waiting or just relaxing, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.